In the vast universe of gaming, one title stands apart from all others: Half-Life 3. Fans have waited years for its release, but the game remains shrouded in mystery and silence. The original Half-Life released in 1998, revolutionizing first-person shooters with its seamless storytelling and immersive gameplay. Players fell in love with Gordon Freeman and the alien invasion of Earth. Valve Corporation created Half-Life 2 in 2004, continuing Freeman's story. Fans eagerly awaited its sequel, hoping for more of the gripping narrative and innovative gameplay. But years passed without any official news. Speculation ran wild on forums and social media, fueling debates and theories among passionate fans worldwide. Valve has hinted at Half-Life 3's development, but has never confirmed it publicly. This silence has left fans both hopeful and frustrated. Despite the lack of official confirmation, the game has become a symbol of anticipation and the power of community-driven hype in the gaming industry. Many speculate on the reasons behind the delay, suggesting complex technical challenges, creative vision, or simply a desire to perfect the game before release. For some, the wait is a testament to Valve's dedication to quality. For others, it represents a lost opportunity for a new generation of gamers. As we delve into the story of Half-Life 3, we explore why this game matters and what its prolonged absence tells us about the future of gaming. The original Half-Life was released in 1998, revolutionizing first-person shooters with its narrative depth and immersive gameplay. Fans have been eagerly awaiting its sequel for over 2 decades. Valve has consistently hinted at Half-Life 3 without providing any concrete updates. This ambiguity has fueled speculation and anticipation among fans worldwide. In interviews, Valve co-founder Gabe Newell has mentioned focusing on other projects like Dota 2 and Steam, delaying the development of Half-Life 3 DR. Despite delays, the community remains dedicated, creating fan-made mods and theories that keep the game's lore alive and vibrant. Fan theories suggest Half-Life 3 might explore new dimensions or alternate realities, expanding the franchise's narrative universe. The enduring popularity of Half-Life series underscores its impact on gaming culture, making it one of the most anticipated titles in history. Half-Life 2, released in 2004, continued the story with advanced graphics and physics. Its success raised expectations for future installments. The development of Half-Life 3 is rumored to involve cutting-edge technology, aiming to deliver a groundbreaking experience. Valve's focus on innovation has led them to develop VR technologies, potentially integrating them into Half-Life 3 for unprecedented immersion. While Half-Life 3 remains elusive, the community continues to speculate and theorize, keeping the game's legacy alive through fan projects. Fan theories often suggest that Half-Life 3 could introduce new gameplay mechanics, blending action with complex storytelling. Valve's secretive nature adds to the mystery, with every rumor or hint causing significant excitement among fans who hope for official news soon. Some believe Half-Life 3 could be delayed due to the complexity of integrating AI advancements into the game's mechanics. The anticipation for Half-Life 3 has sparked discussions about the role of legacy games in modern gaming, highlighting their cultural significance. As Valve works on various projects, the community waits, hopeful that Half-Life 3 will one day materialize, fulfilling the long-held promise. Half-Life 3 remains a symbol of dedication and patience for gamers, embodying the passion and anticipation within the gaming community. In the absence of official news, fans continue to speculate, dreaming up possible scenarios for Half-Life 3, keeping the franchise alive in their hearts. The legacy of Half-Life extends beyond just the game itself, influencing countless other titles and inspiring generations of game developers. Despite the lack of progress on Half-Life 3, Valve's influence in the gaming industry remains unparalleled, shaping the landscape of interactive entertainment. For many fans, the journey towards Half-Life 3 is part of the experience, a testament to the power of anticipation and community spirit. While Half-Life 3 may never come to fruition, the game's cultural impact ensures its place in the annals of gaming history. The anticipation for Half-Life 3 reflects a broader trend in gaming, where legacy titles hold a special place in the hearts of devoted fans. The story of Half-Life 3 is one of hope and perseverance, a tale that transcends the game itself and becomes a part of the gaming community's collective memory. Though Half-Life 3 may never exist, its legacy lives on through the passion and dedication of its fans, ensuring it remains a legend in gaming. Fan theories about Half-Life 3 abound, each weaving intricate narratives around Gordon Freeman and his world. Speculation fuels online forums and conventions, creating a vibrant community dedicated to imagining and discussing potential plotlines and endings. Valve's silence on Half-Life 3 has become legendary. While they focus on other projects like Portal and Dota 2, fans remain hopeful. This gap between expectation and reality fosters a unique relationship between creators and their audience. Modders have taken up the mantle, crafting unofficial add-ons and total conversions inspired by Half-Life. These mods showcase incredible talent and creativity, breathing new life into the franchise and proving the enduring appeal of the original games. Despite the lack of official news, Half-Life continues to influence modern gaming. Its impact can be seen in the way games handle storytelling, physics, and immersion. It stands as a testament to the power of a well-told narrative and innovative gameplay. Half-Life 3 remains one of gaming's most elusive mysteries, a testament to the enduring legacy of its predecessors. Fans worldwide continue to speculate and imagine what could be. Yet, Valve has maintained silence, leaving players to wonder if Half-Life 3 will ever materialize. This enigma fuels endless discussions and theories across online forums and communities. Despite the absence of new content, the original games continue to captivate audiences, showcasing the timeless appeal of the Half-Life series. The anticipation for Half-Life 3 is palpable among gamers, a symbol of hope for the future of innovative storytelling in the gaming industry. Even without an official release date, Half-Life 3 serves as a beacon for dedicated fans, embodying the spirit of adventure and mystery in video games. As we look ahead, the gaming community remains hopeful, dreaming of the day when Half-Life 3 finally becomes a reality, transcending expectations. Until then, fans celebrate the iconic legacy of Half-Life, cherishing memories and moments that shaped their love for this legendary series. The world eagerly awaits any hint of progress on Half-Life 3, a game that promises to redefine the boundaries of interactive entertainment. For now, Half-Life 3 stays a dream, a symbol of gaming's potential, inspiring developers and players alike to push for the extraordinary. In the meantime, the community thrives, sharing experiences and stories, keeping the spirit of Half-Life alive and vibrant within the hearts of gamers everywhere. So, let us hold on to our dreams and keep the spark of imagination alive. For every game lover, the story of Half-Life is far from over.